Pull up to Bay 3! Copy that, Bay 3. Unseal the trailer. Workers will assist. Understood.
The pH is stable now.
Good. Let's test the emulsion.
Adding the stabilizer.
Looks good. The emulsion is stable, no separation.
Good.
Check for particle distribution.
Uniform. It's a pass.
I'm at 250 grams. How much do you have?
I'm at 50. Almost done. Let's test the new formula.
Okay. This one looks promising.
Applying to the skin model now.
It's absorbing well.
Sample from batch 45678. Applying to slide. Under the microscope, texture is uniform. No impurities. Approved.
The ingredients have been approved for production. We can now proceed to full-scale manufacturing.
Temperature is holding at 21.5.
Good. Keep it steady.
Adjusting set point to 22.
Confirmed.
The flow is steady, good cohesion.
Viscosity seems optimal.
Yes, the spread is even.
Adding the vitamin mix now.
Okay, I'll start stirring.
It's incorporating well.
Line 5 data is in. Efficiency is at 92%.
Got it. Logging the 1247 units now.
Let's check the consistency.
It looks uniform. Viscosity is good.
Approved. Log it.
Line speed is optimal. Watch for jams. Copy. Arm 3 is active. Good. Keep monitoring. This one is out of alignment. Got it. I'll fix it. Good. Keep an eye on them.
Levels look good on this one.
All right. Keep them coming.
Next batch is clear.
Wipe them down well. No residue.
Got it. This batch is clean.
Good. Next set incoming. Lid seal looks good. No surface defects here. Check the alignment on this batch.
Right. This one is off by 1 millimeter.
Okay, adjust it. Checking this stack for damage. This one looks good. No dents or tears. Okay, this one's going up. All right, make sure it's secure. Next one, same section. Got it. This batch is ready for labeling.
Got it. Labels are on.
Good, next pallet incoming.
Clear for it.
Let's get these labeled for Shanghai.
Got it. Passing them over.
I'll check the stack.
All set. Team, confirm. Pallets for shipment 204 prepped?
Confirmed, all labeled and ready.
Great. Trucks at dock in 10. Priority on fragile.
Pull up to Bay 3. Copy that, Bay 3. Unseal the trailer. Workers will assist. Understood. Stack them high in the back. Got it. On the top shelf. Clearing space for the next pallet. All right, let's get this pallet cleared. On it. This side's clear. Watch the wrap. Got it.
I think this one is for oily skin.
This has a good SPF rating.
This texture feels very smooth.
Order 123, 2 shirts and a charger.
Got it. Sealing and shipping.
Next up, headphones and a case. Order 123, 2 shirts and a charger.
Got it. Sealing and shipping.
Next up, headphones and a case.
Discover Luminous, where luxury indulge moisturizer and velvet lipstick. Elevate your beauty today.
All right, that's a wrap.
Finally. Ready to go?
You bet. See you tomorrow.
See ya.